welcome to HTS. Thank you for swinging by my channel here. And if this is your first time stop by my channel, I teach a lot of traffic sources. There's free traffic and investment traffic. Free traffic takes more time, and the other one takes some money. So stick around to the end of this video because I'm going to be showing you some. It's a pretty cool, quick way to build up your list. And the good thing is, this place I'm going to tell you about is bot free. So meaning robots. You don't want a fake list. That's one thing you don't want. So it doesn't matter how many times you have failed. You just have to be right once. And hopefully with the source that I show you here, everything goes good. There's a few other ones. So since you're here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the notification button just right below, because I'm going to be making those other ones, and a lot of people are getting good results. So here we go. I'm going to be I want to show you about, and I'm not promoting this by any chance. I do not have an affiliate link anywhere in the description. I got if you want to get my free ebook, it will be in the description below, including some other things. But let me open this up for you here because I want to show you a few things about Traffic for Me. The reason I use this agency is because they're bot free. I mean, you might have a few that try to sneak in there, but this agency does their best in quality to not have those bots. And there's different things you could promote. So let's say you're going to place an order. You're going to place an order. Wait for it to pop up. Okay. Now you're going to choose what you're trying to promote in. For my example here, I'm going to be using business op, crypto op, and make money online. You can use if you're internet marketing or your diet, health and diet, personal development, forex, binary, crypto, Bitcoin, survival, and prepping. These are all great niche, however you want to say it. Anyhow, so this is what they send you. I mean, you could go up here, best landing pages that get the best results. You could also go up, you can see out there how to get traffic. What else they got in here? They got quite a few things in here. They got articles. So you could kind of take your time, and let's say you feel like you want to talk to somebody. You could always go right here, fill this out, fill it out, give them your question, and if you want them to check your link that you're promoting, put it in there so they could get back to you, letting you know if it's good, if it's not good. It's just sometimes you want to ask questions before you do business, because we're doing business here. This is business, so you got to take it seriously. So for my link that I sent them, they sent me this. I opened these out of my email earlier, and as you can see, they want your name, your best email. These are landing pages that they'll send you that been converting. Once again, some people just want the best email where they could get a hold of you at. So if you make your page a double opt-in, the best email is a good way to go because they're going to double opt-in, so you know it's a real person. This is another one they sent me. They want my name, best email. Do not close. You can also put this on the bottom of your landing page. Will not sell your information. And the thing about Traffic for Me is that when they send you these, now you have maybe a few things you could go off of to create your landing page in case you have to make a few adjustments. Make 2021 your best year. Free video reveals the exact make money system you need to make it happen. And you also could put in the bottom down, there was one right here, let's see, that not all strategy methods. Okay, they put like a disclaimer saying not everything's a get rich quick overnight thing. So you got a disclaimer saying that because many of you have probably seen that some things they say, oh, get rich quick, and none of that happens as far as I know. I haven't met any marketer out there who has happened that overnight. This is what I'm using. This is my landing page, and if you want access to top notch, it'll be in the description below. This is what I'm promoting, but mine's a little different. I'm asking for name, email, phone number, and Kartra. Now, to make sure you don't get no bots, they have to type in that 2R8XG, and then they get access, and then they could go through to the move further into the next page. So you also want to monitor how much opt-in rate you're gonna get. Sorry, I had a little brain fart there. So right here, this is I got 600 currently. So out of 200 clicks, I mean that would be great if I could get I'd be good if I could get them all to get to opt in. But if I can't, I at least want 50%, 30. But anything less than that, then you might have to. I already know that a lot of people will not opt in because they don't want to give their phone number. Some people don't. The thing is, some people want the free gift, but they'll give you a fake email address or one that they don't use. It's just part of how the marketing goes. So back over here, traffic for me. Let's say I want to try this March Madness. I want to start with the lowest package and then work my way up eventually. So March Madness sales going on. I could get 200 clicks, 500. The price does go up. And some people might think $130 is a lot. And I literally seen people throw away this type of money in other forms. It could be whatever. And you got to understand, you're doing a business here. You're going to leverage other people's lists. It's kind of like in real estate where you leverage other people's time, other people's credit, other people's money. You're building relationships. So that's very important to understand. And eventually you can move your way up to 300, 5, whatever. But 200 clicks to start out with is not a bad idea. And then you could decide right here what time. ASAP, start 24, 48 hours. One-time custom, you choose the day. Monthly campaign, every 2 weeks, weekly. So whatever you feel comfortable with. I'm going to be doing just one time. And then I'm going to place my order. Now, this is pretty much easy forward from here. You can pay with your PayPal, debit or credit card, bank transfer, whatever. Just make sure you insertion order. You make sure everything's good right here. March Madness sale, whatever. Business opportunity, $200, cost per click, total order, whatever it may be. Kind of go through all this, click agree, then you pay now, and then it'll move you forward into getting where you set up your you put in your landing page link, whatever link you want to promote, and you go from there. It's pretty simple. Now, the reason why I know some people out there who are just starting out. They say $130, and let's say you're busy and you want to. You might have seen some of my other videos that I have around here. I will put them in my end screen where there's free traffic. You could get it for free, but free takes longer. It is targeted. It does take longer to get, and it's just part of how it is. If you got investment traffic and you get you a solid agency to do it, it's a lot faster. You build up your list. You got to make sure you set up your sequences, and then you got to make sure you create building a relationship with this new list that has just came into your world. And that's the best way to go. I mean, you got to think of it as a whole different thing here. You're leveraging other people's lists. So what they'll do, whoever has the list after this pay now, whoever has the list, they're going to go through it and let you know whether it's accepted or they can't accept it, or somebody whose list you're going off of, they're going to promote it for you. They'll let you know if it's acceptable or not acceptable. So don't take anything personal. If you have to go back, you could pick up ideas from some of the best landing pages here. There's going to be a video here that will show you that. so you can kind of get more opt-ins and get more get more business promotions to your product and product or service. So yeah, I want to make this video right here because sometimes we get traffic. We get somebody who will send you a link saying that they could do this and that. Maybe it's off of Facebook, maybe it's Instagram, whatever. Um, or you go to Fiverr or something, and if you have that tracking link, something like ClickMagick, if you have that link and they try arguing with you about, they promoted your product, it didn't, but you have proof that you could go back and tell them, hey, your traffic, it was bots, it was this and that. Be professional about it, but let them know that the traffic that they got, that's, I cut all that. I've been through it. I cut it all out. I go through an agency like this, and like I said, I'll be making other videos on other solid sources where you can go and start building up your list pretty quick. And once you get on that list, let's say you're starting a YouTube channel or you're on social media a lot, make sure you also send that list in your sequence or whatever, that you have this channel, and you got this channel, you got this channel, so it circulates, so they don't forget about you, and you're letting them into your world as well. So anyway, thank you for stopping by this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps the algorithm share more of these videos of mine, and check out some of my other videos that I'm going to be having around here somewhere. They're going to be popping up pretty soon. Thank you very much. You have a good day or good night. I'll see you later. Bye.